Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. Welcome to another maths lesson. Today I want to talk about converting between units of measure. And you can see in World of Warcraft, okay, if you have a look at the spells that you can cast on people, it tells you what range the spells can be cast at. So for example, this spell right here, the Hammer of Justice, if you look in the bottom right hand side, okay, when I move my mouse on it, it says that it has a 10-yard range. Okay, and if I move this, then this spell, if you look down here in the bottom right hand corner, it says it has a 30-yard range. Okay, so let's have a look at the 10-yard range. Okay, so you can see here that the number is currently in red. That means I can't cast a spell because I'm more than 10 yards away from my target. But if I move a bit closer, okay, this red color turns white. And as soon as it turns white, it means that I can cast a spell. So this is pretty much the boundary between just outside of 10 yards and 10 yards. So right now I'm exactly 10 yards away from my target. Okay, right now I'm exactly 10 yards away. And if I start walking towards my target, and I'm going to count how many steps I take to get there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So approximately 10 yards is the same as 10 steps. So why is that? Okay, why is that? So let's have a look at the definition of a yard, right? Because if you're like me in Australia and we follow the international standard of units, we use meters, right? But over in America where they made the game, okay, so I'm gonna bring it up in Wikipedia. Okay, where they made the game, in the US they follow the United States customary units, okay, which was developed from the English units. Okay, but the funny thing is in England they have changed to SI units already, but the United States are still following mostly the English system. So what is the English system? So let's have a look at the units of length used in the United States. Okay, the units of length, and 1 yard is approximately 3 feet. 3 feet. And 1 foot is 0.3048 meters. Which means 1 yard is 0.9144 meters. Okay, so converting this distance into meters so that people in everywhere except America can understand. So we have 1 yard, which is what they use in the USA, is equal to the SI units, which is what most of the rest of the world uses, is 0.9144 meters. So what that means is if I want to go from yards to meters, I would multiply by 0.9144, and if I want to go backwards from meters to yards, I would divide by 0.9144. So that is a good way of calculating for the people in Australia who are trying to play this game. So if I'm standing 10 yards away from my target, which is the case that I just showed you before, I will go 10 times 0.9144 which I can do very quickly in my head, would be 9.144 meters. 9.144 meters. And if I want to say, for example, I want to know if 15 meters in real life is how many yards. Okay, then I would have to go 15 divided by 0.9144, and let's put that in the calculator. 15 divided by 0.9144, and I have 16.404 yards. Okay, so I guess in World of Warcraft they have chosen yards because it is closer to one single step, right? Because 1 yard is 0.9144, which is pretty much how long it is if you take one step forward. Okay, so that's pretty much all we're doing today, is just converting the units of measure. So hopefully you guys learned something today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.